I am Professor Vinayak and I'm the President-elect of the World Federation of Ultrasound. We've chosen Oman because it is a beautiful country with a lot of culture, and it is on the crossroads of the East and the West for passengers traveling across the globe. It represents a place which is very welcoming. We've been traders for so many years, and we're hoping that people will come in big numbers from all over the world to a country where you will not only have a fantastic conference, but also a country that you can visit and you can go and explore all the areas of the country, ranging from beautiful beaches to beautiful mountains and all cultural souks where you'll be able to see everything that you can hope for. So we will have people from all over the world, the best speakers, the best contributors, and also don't forget there is a lot of expertise locally in the region as well as the country, and they'll all participate in a fantastic conference. Look forward to all of you joining us in Oman in November.